मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी। पर अगर पानी के ही कारण मछली मर जाए? हम सभी ने फिश बाउल तो देखा ही होगा, और फिश बाउल को रेगुलरली टाइम टू टाइम साफ करने की जरूरत भी होती है। फिश बाउल को टाइम टू टाइम साफ अगर ना किया जाए तो ग्लास पर कीचड़ और काई जमना शुरू हो जाता है। जितनी देरी हम फिश बाउल को साफ करने में लगाएंगे उतना ही मुश्किल ये टास्क रहेगा, साथ ही साथ फिश के मरने का डर भी रहेगा। In this analogy, the fish is you, and the cleanliness of the fish bowl is an indicator of your health. Ultimately, you are the only one who can take responsibility for keeping the fish bowl clean and for keeping the fish alive. नमस्कार, मैं मनदीप सिंह राघव आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं इस YouTube चैनल Wisdom Aqua पर। Water is the foundation of every health care program. Since we are 70% water, drinking the best water we can find is a big part of keeping our fish bowl clean. जैसे मैंने पिछली वीडियो में बताया, ड्रिंकेबल वाटर के लिए हमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइज्ड आयोनाइज्ड वाटर पीना चाहिए। नेचर आयोनाइजेस वाटर as it bounces off rocks and tumbles down mountain sides. Water naturally picks up electrons from the earth, which is our greatest source of free electrons. The abundance of negative ions discharge into the air by a waterfall or anywhere water is continually moving is the reason people feel so good in these places. It is the extra electrons that have a powerful effect on mood, health and well-being. It's too bad more of us don't live by a waterfall. There are 6 known major miracle water locations: Lourdes in France, Lecote in Mexico, Nordino in Germany, Abe Zamzam in Saudi Arabia, Hunza Valley in Pakistan, and Ganga Glacier, Gomukh in India.
Today I'm filling up your water bottle for you with holy water in it.
From Lourdes, France.
It's from Lourdes, France, and it's going to heal you when you put it on you. Yeah. Okay.
I think the water has qualities given to it by God. I mean, it's not the water itself that has this quality, but that God can do anything. Since He created us, He can equally make water that can do good.
Many people continue to visit and experience their magical health effects, known as the healing water. They drink it straight from the source, but science doesn't believe in miracles. In 1950, research was conducted in unique locations around the world. For thousands of years, these places have maintained legendary status as a natural source for miracle water. Now, you don't need to travel around the world to get a miracle water. In 1974, Enagic Kangen water started to change lives. Endorsed by 6,500 doctors, now you can have your own miracle healing water at home. Drinking Kangen water is the easiest single thing you can do to support the environment in your fish bowl. Kangen water is structured water. That means it will hydrate your body faster and more efficiently than any other water. Kangen water will also aid in the efficient removal of toxins and wastes. It will almost be like you have installed a filtration system in your fish bowl so that detoxification can happen without having to work so hard at it. Kangen water has an alkaline pH, which can help keep your body chemistry in balance and keep your tissues from hardening due to acidosis. Kangen water has an excess number of electrons that can neutralize the free radicals responsible for pain, inflammation and many symptoms. Since free radicals are a big part of every disease and a known part of the aging process, drinking Kangen water can keep you swimming a lot longer.